Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the intriguing world of Apple as we explore the upcoming iPhone SE4. While the spotlight is often on the latest flagship models, the SE series has silently been making waves as the budget-friendly alternative. Join us as we unravel the leaks, rumors, and potential game-changing features that might define the iPhone SE4. As the premiere of iPhone 16 and 16 Pro looms about 8 months away, speculation is rife regarding their design and capabilities. A horizontal camera orientation for 3D video recording with the Vision Pro goggles, a more potent chipset, and improved battery life are among the anticipated upgrades. However, a potential price increase may dampen the excitement for some users. Now let's shift our focus to the iPhone SE4, a device that might steal the spotlight for those seeking a budget-friendly Apple experience. Acknowledging Apple's previous neglect of the budget-friendly zone, the SE series is expected to break free from its past iterations, drawing inspiration from the modern iPhone 14. The prospect of an $400 to $500 price range is a game-changer, offering value without overwhelming users with costs. One of the most significant changes in the iPhone SE4 lies in its design evolution. Embracing the dynamic notch trend, the SE4 bids adieu to the home button, marking a departure from tradition. However, for those hesitant about buttonless phones, Apple introduces a side button as a compromise. The classic mute switch makes way for a new action button, and the absence of the home button paves the way for Face ID, aligning the SE4 with its pricier Apple siblings. Venturing into the technical realm, rumors suggest the iPhone SE4 will share its battery with the base model iPhone 14, promising a substantial capacity boost of over 50%. The display undergoes a transformation, upgrading from a 4.7-inch LCD to a stunning 6.1-inch OLED screen. The affordability of OLED technology allows Apple to include a high-quality display in its budget model, a major win for consumers. However, the 60Hz refresh rate may disappoint some, as Apple reserves the smoother 120Hz promotion for its Pro series. The million-dollar question: is the iPhone SE4 worth the wait? If Apple delivers on these specs and maintains a sub-$500 price tag, it could redefine the budget smartphone market. However, timing is crucial. A delay until 2025 might render these features less impressive, potentially resulting in a dated design and specs at a premium Apple price. The decision to wait for the SE4 or explore other options hinges on individual preferences. As we wrap up this deep dive into the iPhone SE4, the anticipation and excitement are palpable. Are you considering holding out for the SE4, or is your gaze fixed elsewhere in the tech landscape? Drop a comment and share your plans. Stay tuned for more thrilling tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button. Until next time, take care and see you soon in the ever-evolving world of technology.